Hi guys, here's a very quick hack that I found from IKEA, believe it or not. Now, these are cork heat pads, and basically you buy them and you put them on your worktop so that it protects the heat from damaging your worktops when you like put a saucepan on side. And you can buy 3 of these for £1.50 or £2. They're on offer at the moment actually. The number you're looking for is 870.777.00. And I picked these up today, and basically, as you can see, they're cork. They fit nicely on top of the Tamiya spray platform, the carousel one that spins. And if you look, you can get yourself, if you're like me, I've just drilled a hole in the top of this one, so I'll give it a shake. Hopefully one will come out. There you go. And you can put them in and spray. So obviously, if you use them like I do, you can easily poke them in, turn them and spray what you will with them. And they don't, so it's just an easy way of holding on to whatever you're spraying on a corkboard. And the best thing is that if you put some double sticky tape on the back, or double back plastic, where it is double-sided double back plastic, it will keep your stand pretty well clean. And also, as I said, you can easily just find the center. There you go. And then you got it pretty accurate. And that's it. And you can keep using these and spray. So you've got your little spray gun. You're able to spray what you need just where you are. I just saw it today and I thought this would be a really good hack for spraying those little things with a bit of blue tack. All right. So there again, I'll just show you again what they're called, heat pads by IKEA, and they are about £2 each. 870.777.00. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Cheers.